By the end of this video, you will know how to add a contact form on a Wix website. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are in, go to the website where you want the contact form to appear. If you manage more than one site, make sure you open the correct one before moving forward, since the next changes will apply to that specific website. From the site dashboard, click Design Site or Edit Site. Either option will open the Wix editor, which is where you can place and adjust elements on the page. Give the editor a moment to load if needed, then stay on the page where you want visitors to find your contact form. Next, go to the Add button, marked with a plus sign. Click it to open the panel of site elements, then choose Form and Contact. Wix will show several contact form templates. Pick the one that fits your page layout, then add it to the page and place it where you want it to sit. You can position it in the main section of the page so it is visible and accessible to visitors. Once the form is on the page, double-click it to open the form builder. This is where you can adjust what the form collects and how it behaves after someone sends a message. If the builder does not open right away, click directly on the form again and make sure the form itself is selected. Now customize the fields. You can add, remove, or rearrange the inputs based on the information you want to collect. Common fields include name, email, phone, and message, and you can also include custom fields if your site needs something more specific. As you make these changes, keep the form focused on the details you actually want from visitors. After that, review the form settings. Update the form name if needed, and customize the submission message that appears after someone fills it out. You can also adjust notification settings and any other available options shown in the form settings area. This is the part that controls what happens behind the scenes after a submission comes in, so it is worth checking each setting carefully before you continue. When the form looks the way you want and the settings are in place, click Save. That applies the changes you made in the editor and stores the updated version of the contact form with your page. Finally, click Preview to test the form on the page. Use the preview to make sure the placement looks right and the fields appear in the order you expect. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make the contact form live on your Wix website. Your Wix website now has a published contact form ready for visitors to use.